Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. One of the joys of getting older is you become a cyborg. Yeah, you get a mechanical heart valve, you get hearing aids, and that means that you get to do all kinds of fun stuff like get your hearing aids fixed. Yeah, I have maintenance too. So, on one of the trips down to get my hearing aid fixed, I stopped at the Restore. Bright spot in an otherwise dark and gloomy trip. When I walked in yesterday, I noticed that there were 3 things on the cart by the checkout. And they'd been priced, but they weren't on the shelf yet. That means that I could go get them. So I did. One is this little oil can. Now there's no maker on it that I can tell, but it's a nice little oil can and it matches one that I have. And there's this one. It's unbranded too, but it matches a lot of the popular ones that I already have. This is one made by Eagle USA. Very similar. Not exactly the same though. This one is an older style. And this one has a much heftier feel to it. It's a lot lighter weight. But still, a really good oil can. Now this is a real gem. This is an Eagle number 58F pump oiler, 5-ounce capacity, made in USA. Eagle Manufacturing Company, Wellsburg, West Virginia. Now how much did I pay for this gem? $2. Pretty good deal. This one cost all of $1. And this one cost $1 too. Now if I ran across one of those in an antique store, they're $10-15. And some of them, if they have a brand name on them like Eagle or Pick and Fix. Pick and Fix isn't a big name, but it's a name and they attach some value to the name. They'll go higher than that. I also noticed another item. Something that's kind of cool. These THandle wrenches. Yeah, they're not used a whole lot anymore. I used to use them a lot more when I was working on machinery and die work. But they're handy. And the thing I liked the most was this little rack. It says 10-piece THandle Hex Key Set. SAE sizes, greater torque, and then it says the same thing below in French. It's missing 6 of the THandle wrenches, but I'm sure they'll show up eventually. I stand here on the bottom of the pond waiting for things to drift down. Something else I picked up at the Habitat for Humanity Restore, not yesterday, but recently. You might have seen one of these before. This is called an Alligator Wrench. This is a big alligator wrench. This is a number 8. Made by the Alligator Wrench Manufacturing Company, made in New Jersey, home of Schoolcraft. Well, he's not the whole state, although he's getting big enough he's taking over the whole state. So this is something that I'll clean up and probably, I don't know, I'll hang it on the shelf for a while and decide what to do with it. Everything that comes here has to have a purpose. This looks like it would actually be a pipe wrench. It's big enough. So that's all my recent finds from the Restore. It's always a good idea to go out early on Monday, as long as you don't go to the store that I go to, because I'm there first. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know, I read them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the Restore.